Life for the sugarcane doesn't start with a seed, but with a legacy, an eye from a previous stalk that awakens in the warmth of the earth.
The sprout pushes through the soil surface, appearing as a sharp, pointed green spear.
This tiny green spear is the beginning of a giant. Its mission, to climb as high as possible toward the sun.
Strength lies in numbers. Through tillering, a single bud creates a community of stalks, sharing resources and resisting the wind. This is where the storage begins. Each segment of the stalk is a biological vault designed to hold precious energy. The white powder on the skin is nature's sunscreen, protecting the stalk from dehydration and pests while it matures.
Internal juices flowing.
Inside the fortress of the rind, a complex alchemy is taking place.
Even as it grows, the plant prepares for the future, tucking away new buds at every joint.
The lower segments are now fully loaded with sugar.
Below ground, a massive foundation supports the weight of the harvest, holding firm against the forces of nature.
Flexible, yet incredibly strong, the sugarcane is a masterpiece of structural engineering.
Science confirms what nature has perfected. The peak of sweetness has been achieved.
The morning mist clears to reveal the entire Genesis Motion estate, a sea of tall, sweet reeds.
From a single buried bud to a towering reed of energy, the journey of the sugarcane is a miracle of transformation.